How to use phrasal verbs with ask. Asking around or asking for directions are both common phrases that use the verb ask. But there are many other ways to use ask in English. Here are some other common phrases that use ask. Example 1. Ask about. Ask how someone is doing, especially professionally and in terms of health. He asked about my father. Example 2. Ask after. Inquire about someone's health, how life is going. Jenny rang earlier and asked after you, so I told her you were fine. Example 3. Ask around. Ask a number of people for information of help. I have no idea, but I'll ask around at work and see if anyone can help. Example 4. Ask in. To invite somebody into your house. John's at the door. Ask him in. Example 5. Ask out. To invite someone for a date. He wanted to ask her out but was too shy. Example 6. Ask over. Invite. They have asked us over for drinks on Friday. Example 7. Ask round. Invite someone. We asked John round for dinner. As you can see, ask can be used in many different ways. It can be used as a standalone verb, or it can be used with a preposition. Example: ask for, ask about, ask around. If you are new here, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up and share this video with a friend and leave a comment. Thank you for watching the entire lesson.